Welcome to the show, everybody. We're going to be talking about Yale locks, large format IC cores. Stay for the whole show. You're going to love it. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the channel. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. We're going to be talking about a really great cylinder. This is on the Evil Bay. Look at this. You can buy them there. You can save yourself a ton of money. I wished I could find out who the supplier is of these. It's open box. They're great cylinders. A 1210. These are large format IC cores, and they're a GA, so that's pretty standard. That's the beginning letters of the keys, GA. Well, look at this. You can get them on the Evil Bay for how much? $49 for 3. Whoa. I used to work at a company a while back, and they were missing a lot of cylinders, and we always wondered if they showed up on the Evil Bay. Not quite sure, but I'd love to find out who's supplying these. Wow. So there they are. I don't buy them from eBay, but I could. I get them from Annixter. They're a great place to buy them. I know the source where locksmiths supply. So these are SH, I believe. Same thing, SH. They're 1210. Yeah, SH. Let's see, there it is. SH. They're zero bid, 1210, zero bid. So when I say zero bid, there's nothing cut on the key. I buy mine from a legitimate company. Who knows where those come from? You know, a lot of hospitals keep them in bins and they go missing. So this is what they look like. Wonderful cylinders. You don't want to drop them, you'll dent them. But what I'm going to show you here tonight, you see that's zero bid. There's no cuts on the key. So that's a construction core. You slam that in and you give the construction guys the zero bid key. And then you can just not worry about pinning up anything. Get a job going real quick. But here's what I'm going to show you tonight. There is a clip, a really nasty clip right here. See this clip? And in order to pull this plug out of the IC core housing, because that's how you pin these up, you have to get that clip off. Well, I'm going to show you a really easy way. Oh, look at it. We're on air. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's get back to the show. I'm going to show you a really easy way to do this. First of all, you got to get the clip in the right location. So see this cutout here on the back of the plug? You want to have this about right about there. Then you take a very small regular screwdriver. So this is for electronics. You want a nice hardened screwdriver, just a little bit past that notch. So I'm really not past that. There we go. Ay, ay, ay. It's so late. If you knew how late it was, you just get underneath there like that. I don't know why I'm showing you this, but I think you probably need to know, because you don't want to bend this clip. These clips are hard to come by unless you get them on the Evil Bay. Who knows? Maybe you can buy them by the bagfuls. Anyway, that clip comes off just as easy as that. So you just kind of go underneath the cutout here, pop the clip off, and you put this thing back on with your finger. So you take the clip and you just push around and she's back on. See how nice that is? So let me show it to you one more time. Some more light. So let's get the clip turned around so it's over the top of that cutout. You get your screwdriver in the cutout. You turn the screwdriver around a little bit and walk it around. This does not bend anything. There's that clip. Isn't that cool? And then you just put it back on I try to get over here by that cutout. I get it right here, by there. I push it on, and no fuss, no bother, and the clip isn't bent. You can bend those back if they get spread out, and you should bend them back. They should not stick past the outside of the housing, otherwise you're going to have trouble getting it in. Please hit that like button, guys. Smash it hard. But that's how you remove the clip. Hopefully this has been helpful. You can get them on the Evil Bay. I'm not going to tell you where the sources of these things are coming from because I don't have a clue. I don't sell anything on Evil Bay. The only thing I bought from the eBay was this beautiful aluminum plate. The guy is so cool. There's his card. He hasn't, I don't even know why I'm showing you this card of his because he's never responded to me and he's never said thanks. I show it. I always have his card sitting here. I'm kind of expecting him to respond to me. So if you buy one of these wonderful plates, say you saw it on Door and Lock Tips, and maybe the guy will say, hey, thank you, Mike Walker, for showing it on your YouTube channel or whatever, right? So there we have it. A Yale, beautiful, large format IC core. And now we know how to remove the clip. And if you do it a lot, you'll save yourself some trouble on your fingers. Just get yourself any electronic regular screwdriver and push it over. Let's try it again. I gotta see if I can do it. All right, I'm gonna bring it there, past the cutout. I pop down. Get this close enough. And I walk it around. Look at how nice and easy that comes off. Oh boy, I didn't bend nothing. And then to get it back on, you just take your little fingers and push it back on. You don't even have to have fingernails, because I sure don't. Where did my fingernails go? I don't know. There we have it. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll tell you a lot more about Yale coming up in the future, because I'm going to pin up a bunch of these tonight maybe, if I don't run out of steam. And I'll show you how to pin up these Yale cylinders and use a bunch of master pins in them. And I got a ton of keys here, and wow. And all these keys will work in one cylinder because I cross-keyed the whole system, which you lock pickers are going to say, oh, you never want to cross-key. Well, sometimes you have to. You know, I got a bunch of apartments. All these apartments want to come in the front entrance of one cylinder. There you have it. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll have more goodies like this, door and lock tips, coming your way in the future. Thank you, guys. I'm glad you stayed till the end. You get to see the teaser for what's coming up next. Hey guys, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. We're going to be talking about Yale, but not just any Yale, Yale large format IC core. And I'm using a Lock Caddy 4 IC core just for fun today to see if it works. And I pulled out the plug, and the tip for the day for you locksmiths, if you turn your Yale cylinder upside down, when you remove your plug and you remove your follower, all the pins will blow out. You know, you hold it over this hole, will blow out, and your springs will be left in place. Please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends for more door and lock tips.